Good morning, children. Today we are going to study write the number before, after and between. You already studied the number before, the number after and the number in between. How do you get the number after? To get the number after, you count forward. And to get the number before, you count backward. Okay. Take your textbook, page number 20. Here is an exercise. Climb up the number ladder. Put today's date. Today's date is 2/7/20. Then climb up. You write the next number. Here, count forward. As I told you, you have to count forward to get the number after. Count forward. Read, count forward. So you start from 1, then 2, then you write the next number is 3. Then 4, 5, count forward. Okay. You reach 10. Again you start 11, 12, 13 and finish 20. Then you start 21, 22, finish at 30. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, then finish at 40. And start from 41 and finish at 50. So you have count numbers 1 to 50 forward. Clear? Then next, move to the next. Climb down. You start from 50. Then you count backward. The number before, just before 50 is 49. Then 48. What comes before 8? You know? 8 before 7. So you get the number 47. Get it? Then 4. What get before 7? It is 6. What get before 6? It is 5. So you write the number before. Okay. Get it? Yes. Count backward. All of you count backward and finish up in number 1. Then you move on to page number 21. Okay. It is the follow-up of your page number 20. You already returned the number from 1 to 50 forward and 1 to 50 backward. And you have to study, you have to write what is the number before 23. Can you say what comes before 23? 23. Yes? Okay. You look here, number 23. Where is number 23? Here, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Yeah, 23. What comes before 23? Can you say it is 22? It is 22. Okay. So you can write the number before 23 is 22. Get it? Then fill up all these. Then move to the next. What is the number in between? Is it? It's very easy. You count the number forward. 35. What comes after 35? Yes? If you have any doubt, you just count the numbers 1 to 50. Okay? Then you will get what comes after 35. It is what comes after 35. You count. Start from 1. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. What comes after 35? It is 36. Okay. The same way you finish the number in between. Okay, count forward and finish number in between. Next, you move to the number after. What comes after 39? Okay, your exercise. Take your exercise. Here 30, 31. You finish this exercise 32, 33, 34, 35. You already know to count and write numbers up to 50. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Here is the question. What comes after 39? What comes after 39? It is 40. So you can write the answer is 40. Okay. So the same way you can finish the number after. Get it? I hope you all have studied this number before, number in between and number after. Today's date is 2/7/20. Then write count forward 1 to 50. Count forward the numbers 1 to 50. Write in your notebook. You start from 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You finish up to 50. Okay. Get it? Yes. Then next, you put a star and write count backward. Count backward the numbers 1 to 50. Okay. You start from 50. You start from 50. What comes before 50? Before 50, isn't it? Yes. So you have to practice more numbers 1 to 50. What comes before 50? Say it is 49. It is 49. Okay. 49. At this time, you keep in mind what comes after 49. It is 50. So the number before 50 is 49. Get it? Then what comes before 9? It is 8. So you can write before 9, 49 is 48. Okay. What comes before 8? It is 7. So the number before 48 is 47. Okay. What comes before 7? It is 6. So the number before 47 is 46. Clear? Then next, the number before 46. What comes before 6? It is 5. What comes before 5? It is 4. And this tens place 4. Okay. Then 40. 44. The number before 44. 4 before. The number before 4 is 3. 43. Then number before 3 is 2. So 42. And number before 2 is 1. Yes. The number before 1. What comes before 1? Do you know what comes before 1? It is 0. It is 0. So you write the number before 1 is 0. Yes. Yes. You already know to count numbers 1 to 50. And tell me, what is the number before 40? What comes before 40? Do you know? Revise. What comes before 40? Yes? Okay. See, the number 4 becomes 3. And the 0 becomes 9. So, it is 39. Understood? Yeah. So, you write and finish in 1. Okay. And some tips for you. Some easy tips for you. You write this in your notebook. This is an easy tips. You write tips. That means the number after 9 is 10. The number after 19 is 20. Get it? The number after 29 is 30. The number after 39 is 40. The number after 49 is 50. Get it? This is an easy tip for you to study the number before and number after. Okay? Everybody write this tip in your notebook and draw a box like this. Okay? This one after, this one before. So, this tip will help you to write the number before 40. What come before 40? 39. What come before 50? 49. Okay? Yes? I hope you all have understood today's class. Study well. Thank you.